So think of this as a story as to why you should trust the advice of others who have been in the same situation when it comes to specialist cars like Renault Sport here. So essentially, 3 or 4 months ago, my harmonic balancer crapped its pants and made quite a bit of mess around the timing belt area and whatnot. And I managed to get a replacement harmonic balancer and auxiliary belt, and booked it in to a Volkswagen specialist on the advice of some family members who the guy's done some really good work for, and they've used for quite some time, like over a decade, and they trust quite well. I was assured that everything would be fitted and wouldn't be a problem, but turns out no.